Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Wright County, northeastern Meeker County, central Sherburne County, southeastern Stearns County, until 6:15 a.m. At 5:29 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southeast of Rockville, or 9 miles south of St. Cloud, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Clearwater around 5:40 a.m. Clear Lake around 5:45 a.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Becker, Monticello, Maple Lake, and Big Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.